You know the sense of aggravation when you're trying to build a small account and nothing seems to work. If you've tried countless strategies, you aren't witness the real results. This video is for you. Today, I'll introduce you to the method that got me all the stagnation and can change your game too. Let's go with that, guys. $4 or $5 and we're gonna start with $20 in the first entry. Let's go with that. I've just crafted a Unix price just for you. Watch the video from start to finish and we'll be amazed, guys. Let's go with that. Classic candles, 10 seconds on time frame. And we're gonna use alligators again, Fractal and OSMA. 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, and 6 for that. The color is up to you. I just changed the colors for that to not be the same. 2 on the Fractal, 7, 22, and 8 for the OSMA. Alright, and let's be that green. So for $5, we're gonna start with 25, 1 minute expiration time. Okay, so let's start. Alright, guys. For those that are interested, the platform is a link in the video description, right? And before I start talking specifically about the events of the current pair for that one AGCNY to see, I want to tell about the fractal indicators and its role on this method. Okay, it's a very positive indicator by itself, guys. When you get a green one, that's a downtrend, and when you get the reds, that's an uptrend. And if it gives us alone with the indicator, it's a signal is create the probability of winning, but it doesn't have a main role for this method. And here, it is an auxiliary indicator of this method. All right, so it's necessary to use that with the other indicators. In short, if the fractal indicator does not give it a signal in this method, I can instead open a position if I like signal from the other two indicators, OSMA and the mainly one alligators, right? So, and great, the first win for that, guys. That's pretty good, right? And just remember, bear in mind, this is just one of the strategies that can transform your experience in this market to active professional level. Mastering the most profitable strategy in the session, guys. Don't forget it, right? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. But don't worry, I prepared this exclusive piece of content that will be video for growth. So let's, with that, until the end of the video and enjoy it. Alright, guys, to continue with the discussion of fractal, I will tell that this particular method. The fractal gives us a down right here, down direction signal. When it says as green mark, it's a down. When you get red, that's an up, as I said for you, the previous one. And as you can see on the platform now, as for the alligator lines, there are the main indicators of this method. When green, yellow, and blue alligator lines go down, that's a downtrend. And at the same time, they also make green candles are made in the combination with this. Now it's seen on the platform. Okay, so this would be the best entry point for this method. Just combine of these three indicators. Just remember that, guys. This is, I think, everything's going the perfect way at this time so far for me right here. And that is a great one. Let's see that. Maybe the second one. Yeah, we got the second one. $57.95 on that. Good. I'm just thinking I'm having a very good moment in an opening position right here again. It's a downward direction with a quite large amount, and I hope successfully close the position as well. Guys, for this method, I don't pay attention in OSMA. I just forget about that. Alright, I'm just noted this right here, right now, on the green cards on that, green candles also made indicator, right? It's that it goes like stairs, okay? That stairs, or this goes like up like stairs, or just go down like stairs. Just think about it.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
The main thing about this is to fix up or down positions. In this case, this one position is fixed and it's completely sufficient for this OSMA signal. All right, we just got this. I'll use this for more time this pass and that's for down or up in the defined probability situation. And look at that, 86, 137 for that my count right here. Like the previous moment, for example, the fact the trade is very risky, guys. We can lose the entire amount if we just don't have good risk management on this. I want to call it convictly. I love it. Such means, as you can see, I have reached the quite large amount in one stop trade here, right? I want all my viewers remember that my videos are only educational, right? But careful not to be the side of that about this. I don't write to anyone personally, just on my Telegram, right? So let's act right now, guys. Wish you good profit, good operation, and have a good one. See you guys. Bye bye.